Background and history. Introduction. The utilization of AI in disaster response and emergency management has significantly evolved, providing innovative solutions for predicting, mitigating, and managing disaster events. Historical context. Disaster response strategies have evolved over time alongside technological advancements, with AI emerging as a powerful tool in enhancing preparedness and response efforts. Early applications. Early applications of AI in disaster management focused on predictive modeling, resource allocation, and decision support systems to improve response effectiveness. Importance of AI. AI-driven approaches are crucial for enhancing preparedness and response to disasters by providing timely insights, optimizing resource allocation, and improving situational awareness. Key figures and institutions. Key figures and institutions pioneering AI in disaster management include organizations like the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, academic institutions, and technology companies specializing in disaster response solutions. Historical impact. Examination of impact. AI has significantly impacted disaster response practices by enhancing predictive capabilities, optimizing resource allocation, and improving decision-making processes. Landmark studies. Landmark studies and projects using AI for predicting and managing disasters have demonstrated the effectiveness of AI-driven approaches in reducing disaster risks and improving response outcomes. Societal and economic implications. AI-driven advancements in disaster response have profound societal and economic implications, including reduced loss of life and property, improved resilience of communities, and more efficient resource utilization during emergencies. Evolution reflections. The evolution of disaster response practices has been influenced by AI technologies, leading to more data-driven, adaptive, and proactive approaches to disaster management. Influence of historical events. Historical disasters and emergency events have played a significant role in shaping the development and adoption of AI in disaster response, highlighting the need for innovative solutions to address evolving challenges. Historical milestones. Key milestones. Significant milestones in the history of AI applications in disaster response, including the development of early warning systems, decision support tools, and real-time data analysis platforms. Influential algorithms and technologies. Introduction of influential AI algorithms and technologies for predictive modeling, risk assessment, and resource optimization in disaster management. Landmark achievements. Landmark achievements in using AI for early warning systems, decision support tools, and situational awareness platforms, demonstrating the effectiveness of AI-driven approaches in enhancing response capabilities. Development of AI tools. Development of AI-powered tools and techniques for real-time data analysis, remote sensing, and disaster mapping, enabling rapid response and coordination during emergency situations. Collaborations and partnerships. Recognition of collaborations and partnerships driving advancements in AI and disaster response, involving government agencies, research institutions, non-profit organizations, and technology companies. Technological advancements. Machine learning advancements. Advancements in machine learning and data analytics have revolutionized predictive modeling, enabling more accurate forecasting of disaster events and their potential impact. Early warning systems. Impact of AI on creating advanced early warning systems, leveraging sensor networks, satellite imagery, and weather forecasting models to provide timely alerts and warnings to at-risk populations. Coordination platforms. Development of AI-driven platforms for coordinating emergency response efforts, facilitating communication, resource allocation, and situational awareness among response teams and stakeholders. Decision support systems. Integration of AI in decision support systems for resource allocation during disasters, optimizing the deployment of personnel, equipment, and supplies based on real-time data and predictive analytics. Enhancing resilience. Opportunities for using AI to enhance the resilience and efficiency of disaster response operations, including leveraging social media analytics, crowdsourced data, and citizen engagement platforms for community-based disaster management. Challenges and risks. Technical development challenges. Technical challenges in developing AI algorithms for accurate prediction of disaster events, including data quality issues, model uncertainty, and the complexity of natural systems. Ethical considerations. Ethical considerations in using AI-driven decision support systems in emergency situations, including concerns about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for unintended consequences on vulnerable populations. Algorithmic bias risks. Risks of algorithmic bias and errors impacting disaster response decision-making, leading to suboptimal resource allocation, inaccurate risk assessments, and unequal distribution of relief efforts. Social disparities concerns. Concerns about the potential for AI to exacerbate social disparities during disaster recovery, including unequal access to AI-driven tools and technologies, and differential impacts on marginalized communities. Environmental impacts. Perspectives on the environmental impacts of AI-driven disaster response technologies, including considerations of energy consumption, e-waste generation, and ecological footprints associated with AI infrastructure. Future prospects. Speculation on the future. Speculation on the future of AI in disaster response and emergency management, envisioning more advanced predictive analytics, autonomous systems, and AI-powered resilience-building initiatives. Emerging technologies. Exploration of emerging technologies and methodologies for AI-driven disaster prediction and response, including advancements in remote sensing, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and resilient infrastructure design. Addressing new challenges. Opportunities for using AI to address new and emerging challenges in disaster preparedness and recovery, such as climate change adaptation, urbanization, population growth, and pandemics. Scaling up efforts. Challenges and opportunities in scaling up AI-powered disaster response efforts globally, including capacity building, technology transfer, policy harmonization, and international collaboration in disaster risk reduction. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Importance of interdisciplinary collaboration in realizing the full potential of AI in disaster management, fostering partnerships between government agencies, academia, industry, and local communities. Controversies and debates. Ethical implications. Debates surrounding the ethical implications of using AI in disaster response practices, including concerns about privacy violations, data ownership, and the accountability of AI-driven decision-making systems. Decision support systems. Controversies over the use of AI-driven decision support systems in emergency management, raising questions about transparency, accountability, and the potential for algorithmic manipulation in critical situations. Balancing innovation and ethics. Perspectives on the balance between innovation and ethical considerations in AI-driven disaster response, emphasizing the need for responsible AI development, human oversight, and community engagement. Impact on traditional approaches. Discussions on the impact of AI on traditional disaster response approaches and community resilience, highlighting both the potential benefits and challenges of integrating AI technologies into existing frameworks. Calls for transparency. Calls for transparent and participatory approaches to AI-driven disaster response research and implementation, advocating for open data sharing, community engagement, and accountability mechanisms in disaster projects. Additional information. Resources for further reading. Resources for further reading on AI in disaster response, including academic journals, reports, case studies, and online platforms dedicated to disaster risk reduction and emergency management. Organizations and initiatives. Information on organizations and initiatives leveraging AI technology for emergency management, including government agencies, humanitarian organizations, research institutions, and technology companies specializing in disaster response solutions. Educational materials. Educational materials for individuals interested in learning more about AI-driven disaster response technologies, including online courses, webinars, workshops, and training programs on disaster risk reduction and emergency preparedness.